Hello, I'm Truman Hosner, and I would like to tell you about a workshop I have coming up at the Scottsdale Artist School. It's titled Figures in Landscape. I will be talking about a poetic approach to painting, one backed by tuition and introspection, but also obedience to the light. I thought I could speak briefly about that. Learning to read the light can lead to colorful and dynamic paintings. And painters from the past, like Sorolla and Monet, have gifted us with a lot of good insight in their work as how to go about it. Let me explain what I mean. With the figure, as with all else in nature, you have the light overhead, the blue dome, as one influence. You have the influence of the direct sunlight, and then the reflected light from whatever reflects. I will begin the week with sharing a method of drawing the figure to develop speed and accuracy that leads into painting, like these 10-minute charcoal gestures on my left. We then will progress into painting the figure in full color in the landscape. It will be a challenge, but I'll be there all the way to help you. And after all, if it was easy, it wouldn't be fun. I hope you will join us.